Alright, so it's time to do a little bit of patina restoration on this old dirty Toyota Corolla Tercel. Woo. So if you're into automotive content, mainly Toyota related, or RC content, hobby grade and toy grade, or you're just into random goofy videos, check out my other videos on my channel. Subscribe, hit that like, and hit that bell. So anyway, what I've done is already restored that side, and now I'm going to move over to this side. See how just blotchy and random it looks. So what I did is I basically sanded off all this silvered and oxidized clear coat, and it made it look nice and soft like the other side. I'll show you how that's done. Here we go. Here's the way I do it. Just grab a SOS pad, preferably a soft one, but hey, anyway, this is only going to work out if you're cool with having a flat paint job, because if you've got gloss in some spots, you're not going to keep it glossy, sorry. But anyway, take the Brillo pad, come over to the clear coat, and just start going at it. Circles. Basically just sanding off the clear coat. But this is a way to get into every tiny little nook and cranny and angle. It gets up in here real nice. Little rinse. See that? Blue. Woohoo! Gets rid of all that. I was attacked by a shark in Hawaii in 1999 when I was 16. It went all the way around my arm. It was a 12-foot tiger shark. I was surfing at night, which is not recommended. This is all skin grafts off my leg, and nerve grafts and artery grafts. Anyway, thought I'd show you guys that. Let's see what's going on with this door. It looks a little bit odd, like someone may have painted it, but it also kind of looks like it's original. Don't really know. This door is probably going to look different no matter what I do. See here? Let's see if I can make them look even, equal with each other. Looks like it's working. Huh, let's see. Oh yeah. No, a little off. The door's a little darker, but maybe I'll just keep sanding on that door. Oh yeah, it's getting lighter. Very slowly, but it's getting lighter. This funky dark stuff, it's all cracked and weird. I don't know. That's what I want to do, is try to make it all look smooth and soft and even like the other side. Stay tuned. Fucking idiot. Whoops. are you doing? You're meowing? Got a shift knob from a Toyota Paseo. So nice. Comfortable. You can hold it from the side. Bam. From the top. It's nice no matter how you hold it. So much better than the stock one. Literally a ball. Come on. Nah. Well, here she is. All done. Doesn't look a whole lot better, but it's better than it was. The passenger side did not cooperate as well as the driver's side. But, sorry, it's getting dark. Took off all that oxidation. Looks a good bit better. Anyway. Good fun.